egg sinker, but you can use anything from a 1 ounce to a 10 ounce, depending on how big the mackerel is. The key is you want it to look symmetric. You don't want like this giant 10 ounce egg sinker underneath the little tinker mackerel. You with me? So what I'm going to try and do here is, I'm going to try and get this egg sinker to sit right under here. All right? That's further forward you can get it, the better. I don't mean this far forward, but I mean like the further forward in the bait, it's going to make its head go down, and it's going to make it dig, and it's going to make it swim perpendicular up and down like this, opposed to skipping. So what you'll need to do this is a floss to do the egg sinker, and you're going to need, if you're really prepared, have 2 needles, 1 on each tag end, and I'm going to go up. Again, I'm trying to get it right in the spot, like forward of the eyes. So what I'm going to do is, this is an example, I'm going to come up
a lot of times it comes up, but he's got it
in between those 2 hard pieces of cartilage. I'm going to come up with the needle. The first one's going to be right there, and it's going to be centered. All right? The second needle is going to be a little bit behind that, and it's going to be right about there. And then the real trick is the knot I used to finish that. I don't know exactly what it's called, but that's what I'm doing here. There's a stitch where I close the mouth, and there's a stitch where I close the gills. Now as this bait goes through the water, if I go in front of this stitch, this would tear through that stitch and open the mouth. So I'm going to go right behind it. It's a good indicator. When you get closer, you'll see there's a stitch here and a stitch there, and I'm going to go behind it and in front of this. It's a good way to, like, where should I do it? Where should I put it through? And if you don't take note of that, the bait will be compromised because you'll tear the threads out. So right behind that stitch, I come up with the first needle.
You want to be careful you don't pull that.
And the second needle is going to go right in front. By in front, I mean towards the nose of the bait, right in front of where I close the gills.
You go as tight as possible, because after you swim it for a while, that unravel, it'll start to unravel and fall out.